Hi, I'm Lisa, one of the Live Lagom leaders here at IKEA. Christmas is all about spreading love, sharing good food, and spending time with family and friends. But it can also be a very wasteful time of year. So here at IKEA, we offer you sustainable solutions, from recyclable wrapping paper and gift bags to LED candles and Christmas tree lights. We're also committed to stop selling single-use plastic by the end of 2020. So why not wrap your presents with string instead of sellotape and lower your impact on the planet? We also know that Christmas can be a very stressful time of year by having to spend lots of money on gifts. So instead of rushing out to the shops, overspending and over-consuming, we want to show you how to have a more sustainable Christmas by decorating your home and giving gifts in a more cost-conscious way. So today I will be showing you how to make a rag wreath, which is a family-friendly, fun and free activity that you can do at home. To make a rag wreath, you will need a metal coat hanger or some wire you can bend into a circle, some string, scissors, material you've got lying around the house, and also some baubles or ribbon or anything else you want to use to decorate. After you've got all your materials, you start by shaping your coat hanger or wire into a circle. You may want to wear gloves for comfort. Don't worry if it's not a perfect circle, as it will be hidden by the decorations later on. It should look similar to this when you're finished. Now you are ready to start adding your rags. You can use any old materials you have lying around, such as t-shirts, bed sheets or cushion covers. You cut the material into strips approximately 1 inch by 6 inch, just like this one. I recommend you cut the strips in some different materials that match your other home decor, or you can just let your imagination run wild. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's all about having some festive fun. Once you've got your strips cut, you can start tying them around the wire. You can add as much or as little material as you want, and also layer them up for fullness. You also don't have to tie them tight, as this means you can change the colours year after year. Once you are happy with the fullness of your wreath, you can add some decorations, such as baubles, holly or ribbons, to give your wreath some Christmas sparkle. These are some leftover baubles from decorating my tree. All you have to do is thread the baubles with string and tie them round the wreath, adding as many as you want. Here's an example of one that we sell in IKEA, which is part of our Christmas collection. This shows what it can look like if you add lots of baubles, and the one I have personally made shows what it can look like with just a few. Another final option is to wrap string, material or ribbon around the hook to give a nice finishing touch. Once you have completed your wreath, all that's left to do is hang your Christmas wreath on your door or fireplace and leave out some cake for Santa. Or maybe just treat yourself, knowing you've been kinder to your pocket and the planet. Please join the Live Lagom Facebook community and share your rag wreath creations on social media using #LiveLagom, #IKEA@mine, and @IKEA UK. Thanks for watching.